Tesla Sentry Mode is a security feature that uses cameras to record activity when parked, deterring theft and vandalism. First, ensure your Tesla is in park mode. Using the car's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then navigate to Safety and Security. Finally, select Sentry Mode. Toggle the switch to the off position. Confirm the deactivation on the screen. Recent regulations in over 15 U.S. states and the EU may require consent for activation, but deactivation follows the same steps. Disabling Sentry Mode doesn't turn off the dashcam feature, which is separate and must be toggled off independently if desired. In 2025, Tesla introduced an off-peak option to reduce battery drain, but for complete deactivation, follow the outlined steps. Simply turning off Sentry Mode via the touchscreen is usually sufficient, but understand that it doesn't necessarily disable all camera functions. For enhanced privacy, especially with growing regulations like the GDPR and CCPA, be aware of data retention policies, which vary by region. 30 days in the US, 7 days in Europe. If you're extremely concerned, know that advanced users have explored methods like factory resets or third-party tools for full deactivation, although Tesla discourages these to avoid voiding your warranty. Note that Tesla's adaptive Sentry Mode still collects more data than previously expected. Future updates are expected to increase integration with full self-driving, potentially making deactivation rarer, but with opt-in mechanisms to comply with privacy laws. Keep an eye on firmware updates for more granular control over Sentry Mode functions, and remember to check your local regulations to ensure compliance.